Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see unused apps on your Samsung phone. You agree with me that it is not all the application you have on your Samsung phone that you use often. Some applications are just installed out of curiosity and you've not been using them for a couple of months or even years since you get your Samsung device. So Samsung device lets you see all unused or really used application on your phone. Now to see them and know which application to uninstall to create to free up more storage on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on device care. Then under device care, you see your storage, your memory, then the battery. So if you're using Samsung Galaxy S23 or S23 series, it could be device care and battery. So this is A54. Then we have device care. Another device care is battery and storage. Then here, I just need to click on storage. Once you hit storage, you should see used. Then you see I've used about 74%. Now to see all unused application on my Samsung phone, all you need to do is scroll down and see unused application. Then click on that. Then you should see all the application you really used here. So there are about 8 unused application. Then you can select all this application and uninstall them. Just hit the select button and then click on uninstall X number of application. Here you'll be able to add at least 717 MB to my Samsung phone storage. However, most of these applications are useful applications, so I don't need to uninstall them. So you can see now I have access to all the unused application on my Samsung phone. So this is how to see or find unused application on Samsung phone. If this is helpful, you want to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.